Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file, and his actual words were, I can't for the life of me figure out what I'm doing wrong. Well, I took it apart, and this has a flat tip. You can't rotate it. There's no way to rotate it because there's not a node there. So I went ahead and I did it with his colors and see how perfect it is. So we're just going to do it again, and I think I've already explained it good enough for him, but Polygon tools, three-sided. Hold down the control button is very important and hit P. I play it safe instead of just snapping to there. I'm going to hit P. Then I'm going to shift select my triangle and I'm going to hit T like top. I'm going to select my line. I'm going to shift select the triangle and I'm going to hit B. I didn't make a duplicate. So now I'm going to do it again. Shift select both items and hit T. Now take your Alt key and just select those two lines. And he did it 12-time blend, which worked out perfectly. I'm going to group this together before I do anything. That'll save you a lot of time and headache in the future. Smart Fill tool, I'm going to go ahead and do the blue first. And I'm going to select every other line. And it comes out perfect. And if we look, we now have a point. Now, you could actually group these together. Nah, let's don't do that because I want to get rid of the lines here in just a second. Get my Smart Fill and let's use that same color. We want to group these together in just a second, but we can select them. Now we can take away the lines now, and because they're grouped, it'll take away all the lines. I'm going to shift select all the turquoise. One, holding down the shift key, select all 6 turquoise. You don't have to, I'm going to go ahead and group them together. And then get your interactive fill tool and just swipe across. And he put black like I do. I think he was maybe trying to follow a video. Now it's a little bit darker at the bottom, so you can do like this. I'm going to leave it dark this time. Now you've got to group it all together to rotate it good. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on the rotation and put it on that node. It's the only node up there. And rotate it 60 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control. I like the idea. You know, in a way, I was looking at it, it almost looks like it's kind of sunken in. We could add blue lines to take away all those lines because the other ones don't really, you can't see them. But that's a pretty cool graphic. I'm going to go ahead and put a black, I don't think the black box is going to make too much difference this time. Object, order, back a page. Yeah, it adds to it. Anyway, I hope that helped him and maybe somebody in the future. And thank you for watching.